My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension which is called Stop AdBlocker, and the pop-up that promotes this extension is stopadblocker.com. Stopadblocker.com is an unwanted browser extension. Today, it attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This extension, if it gets installed, starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. So instead of blocking ads, this extension shows even more of its own advertisements. If it was mistakenly added to your Google or Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately from the Google Chrome browser. And this is the way you can do it. Access the menu, more tools, extensions, and then if you find anything suspicious here, get rid of it. Also, we recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.